sides. Star 2 will take star and everyone else go to moon. Go in. Fight inside the circle first. Okay, good job. Okay. They already locked it. We are the red one. Use Epiclesis. Just fight here. Star team, we need help here. Okay, we wipe them. Don't chase. Stay at moon. We need to retake this. We need to take this. Okay. Don't chase. Just hold them there on the sides. After capturing this, we will go to sun. Okay, let's go, sun. Go now. Okay, hold on. Revive my bar members and then go to sun. Go. Go to sun now. Fight inside. Come on, let's go inside. Fight inside. Oh, okay. After capturing this, return to moon. Okay, return to moon. Go to moon. Go now. Okay, fight them. Kill them. They are not taking any tablets now. Fight them. Okay, roaming 1 and 2. Farm them on the respawn spot. Okay, ready on sun. Okay, go to sun now. I need everyone on sun. I need everyone on sun. Come on, let's go sun. Let's take sun. Let's take sun. Give them the star tablet. We will control sun tablet and moon. We will return to moon after this. Okay, let's go to moon now. Oh, hold on. Don't enter yet. Don't enter. Wait for it. Go now. Enter now. Fight. Kill them. I need one Radiant Guardian on our stock. Okay. Respawn. Okay, they already took the tablet. I need you guys to spread a little if we are trying to take a tablets. Don't stay in the one spot. Except if you see some Radiant Guardian. Okay? Okay, now let's just try to... Okay, let's go to star. We already wiped them on moon. Go to star. Okay, take this, take star. We still have 1 minute and 20 seconds for the mobs. Okay, after capturing this, return to moon tablet. Let's go moon tablet now. I need everyone on moon tablet now. Okay. Third Oblivion, save it for Baron, okay? Okay, nice. Okay, hold this position. We will wait for the mobs. Just kill them, farm them. Try to farm them. Give the sun tablet. Give them. Okay. We will go in 20-second mark. 25-second mark. Okay, go to the positions, guys. Mob spawn. Go to the mob spawn area. Go now, mob spawn area. We need the mobs. Top priority is the mobs, guys. Leave the tablets, we can recapture it later. Kill them, kill the enemies on the mob spawn area. Kill them, kill them. Let them have it. Let's just take the... Okay, let's return to Moon Tablet now. I need Windwalk if we have. Okay, enter now. Jump in, jump in. No, it's too late. Okay, let's fight here. Fight. We can fight here. Okay, after wiping this, let's go to Sun. Go to Sun now. Okay. There are a lot. Here. Okay. Oh, they already locked it. That's fine. Okay, regroup at Moon Tablet. Regroup at Moon Tablet. Regroup at Moon Tablet. Now. Regroup at Moon Tablet. Let's regroup. Okay. Okay, I need Epiclesis in the middle. I'm seeing a lot of dead allies. Okay. Respawn to Moon, everyone, now. Okay. Let's fight again. I need the people in... Okay, we got this. Go to Star. Let's go to Star. Wipe them there. Go to Star now. Star team. Oh, okay. Wipe them. Let's get this tablet again. Okay. Go back to Moon. Let's go back to Moon. Go back to Moon, guys. Okay. Retake Moon. Okay. Okay. Let's help Sun. Go now. Help Sun. Let's go. Okay, good job. Okay, return to Moon. Return to Moon, guys. Dive in on Moon. Moon, now. Come on, let's go. Go to the sides. I think they casted something. Okay, they already gotten it. Okay, let's regroup at Sun. Okay. Yeah. Regroup at Sun. Let's go. Wipe them. Let's go to Moon. Okay, I think we can go to Star. Oh, I think it's too late. Too late. Go back to Moon. Let's capture Moon. We still have 1 minute. Okay, nice capture. No. Sun is not moving. Okay, let's go to Sun. Go to Sun. Sun now. After wiping this, we will go to Baron. Okay. After getting this, everyone go to Baron. Go Baron now. Secure the Baron area. Kill them. Kill them, guys. I need the Frozen now. Sunyong. Peek to sis, guys. Peek to sis. Okay, nice job, nice job. Good job, good job. Wipe them, wipe them, wipe them. We will go back to Moon. Okay, let's go back to Moon. Moon tablet. Let's go. Oh my god. Who's that? I can't move. Okay, respawn to Moon and everyone respawn to Moon. Fight. Oh, what happened? Okay. Fight them, fight them. Just PvP and this is already finished. Fight them at Moon, fight them at Moon. It's already finished. Good job, guys, good job. Good job, everyone. One win for the week. Okay. We secured our honor soul. Good job, guys. Good job.